Why do you think there's been such this, I don't want to say resurgence, but surge in interest this year? Is it just money printing and deflation and global currencies?
Yeah, Brian, well, Bitcoin never sleeps, so that's the easy soundbite. And it is a global phenomenon. Yeah, it sounds like a good movie, right? It's a global phenomenon. Look, we have the perfect storm for why Bitcoin is doing so well and why it will continue to do so well. Look, we have aging demographics in the Western world. We have massive debt, massive personal debt, massive corporate debt, massive government debt. And it's getting worse with all the impact of COVID and some of the things you were just talking about on the show before. And then the response from central banks is to print money. And when you print more of something, what happens to its value? It goes down. So Bitcoin is one of the only sound monies on the planet. You have silver, and now you have digital gold, Bitcoin. And so when a scarce asset is compared to a not scarce asset, we have what we call the fiat fiasco. And it's been going on really since the 70s. And if you look at the value of money, it's continued to be destroyed by the creation of it. And Bitcoin does the opposite, right? We know how much Bitcoin is going to be created every day for the next 140 years. And it's controlled by math, not by individuals.
I'll push back a bit, Mark, because my colleagues, with all due respect to them, they call it a cryptocurrency. I try to avoid that term. I don't think currencies should move like this. Maybe it's a commodity. Is it money? Because you can knock the dollar, you can knock the euro, you can knock, the yuan, but they don't move 5,000% in 5 years. Maybe if you're in the Weimar Republic in the 30s or Zimbabwe or Argentina, whatever it might be. Is it a currency? Or is it an asset class?
Look, it's a fantastic point, Brian. And think about what it is, right? It's programmable money. And when money is young, money is very volatile. Think about when the dollar was first used. It had wild swings because really people didn't know what